Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and somehow I've been getting question on Instagram asking me what's my name. Okay, guys, my name is Linda. My surname is Mandla, and I'm from South Africa. As you know, guys, I recently started the YouTube channel, so I was hoping you guys would like my channel, also subscribe to it so that I can do more content on it. But by the way, right now I'm on Twitter. By the way, you can follow me on Twitter. My username on Twitter is Linda at Linda underscore Linda Jackson. You can find me there, and I'm much active on social media. Yeah. So guys, welcome to my channel. And another thing, please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. And I love you all, and please come back tomorrow, and I will be friends for at least until my channel grow bigger and bigger. So welcome. Today I have not I have nothing to do, so right now I'm on my tablet. Like as you can see, I'm on Twitter. I don't know, let me show you my Twitter handle. I don't know if people would like this, but anyway, it's good for trying. My channel, you can see my logo. This is my Twitter handle. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, this one, my Twitter handle. Go and follow me there, and I'll follow back. Yeah, so far I have 200 I have 229 followers. So go and let me show you my YouTube channel. Yeah, guys, comment and say whatever you want me to talk about my channel and everything. So we could me and you will be friends. And let me check my channel first, then we'll talk. And I would like to have to make more friends with you guys. And another thing, people lately has been asking me how's it like to have a channel on YouTube and what and so on. Yeah, it's cool, but sometimes it has consequences. Like right now, I don't have laptop to edit my videos, to do my intro, all those sort of things. But I'm trying to do my best to do to to make good content for you guys. So I hope we will we will be we will